Ayubowan. My name is Chef Mark, one of a senior chef from Sri Lankan Chef Guild Association, and I'm one of a senior member of GSTC as well, Global Sustainable Tourism Council. Plus, I'm a senior member of World Master Chef Association. So I'm here to talk about you what is NUQ levels, and we'll start with N.V.Q level 2. So N.V.Q level 2, you have to do it with two steps, and you can see there are unit, it's called unit 2, prepare salad, appetizers and snack, and unit 4 is prepare hot and cold beverage. So for this prepare salad, it means you can do some sort of a small salad which is something unique, and appetizers you can do a small starter, maybe a whatever seafood, chicken or whatever you want it, and maybe a small snack. That's the second third part. And unit 4, prepare hot course, means you can do a chicken or something main hot dish, chicken or beef or seafood. And cold beverages, maybe you can do a small lassi or something which is very unique and healthy. So when it goes to this two level, level 2, you have to do it the way how the instructors are given the instructions as well. Those who are coming to your place to do your N.V.Q level 2 preparations, to see how you all are doing and all the materials taking care of, and even though wastage plus the cleanliness and preparation and the time, and also the uniqueness of the thing. And level 3, NVQ level 3 certification is you can see unit 8, which is called prepare dessert and sweet. So anyway, dessert is sweet, but you can do something very easy to make it for you, but something unique and presentable and tidy and cleanless and all whatever you like it. But this one also you have to do it the way how the instructions are given to do for your NVQ level 3, the way how the instructions are given from the national certification councils. And unit 3, again you can see there, there are 4 units. Unit 1 is called sauces, and unit 2 is called prepare salad, appetizers and snack. Unit 4 is prepare hot and cold beverage. So when it goes to unit 3, you can see that prepare hot and cold beverage, you can see that. And from first you can see you can do any sauces if you want to, maybe a white sauce, maybe a demi glaze, maybe any tomatoes, but something unique and tidy and cleanness. And prepare salad, you can do any small vegan salad or maybe a vegetable salad or any seafood salad. And the appetizers, you can do maybe a small chicken satay, maybe a chicken lollipop. And the snack, you can do maybe a cracker, something unique cracker. In Sri Lanka you have a lot of flours and different kind of flour as well, so you can do something tidy and nice and crispy, maybe chunky, maybe any, up to you. Okay, but when it goes to unit 4, you can see that prepare hot and cold beverages, same like the unit 2 levels what I have explained to you. And this is also have to do your preparation for hot course and the cold beverage. Cold beverage, you can do maybe a smoothie, maybe something unique with goes with maybe let's say Sri Lankan curd, up to you. And when it goes to preparing hot courses, you can do something nice, very unique with the stuff. Okay, level 4, when it goes to level 4, you can see also there is 3 units. Unit 3 is preparing hot range food, and unit 5 is preparing fish and meat for cooking. Unit 8 is prepare dessert and sweet. So when it goes to unit 3, you can do the same like the way how I explained to you. And preparing hot range food, this is hot range food means it's something very easy to make it, but it's a main course. Okay, so you can do that, something likely maybe again satay with a little bit bigger portion. And unit 5, preparing fish and meat for cooking. So the way how you want to cook, preparing fish and or meat, whatever you want to do it, that's the preparation part. Okay, and prepare dessert. So the dessert part is unit 8. And also you can see maybe you can do a brownie, or maybe you can do something banana crumble, or maybe a tiramisu or something. I'm just giving you the examples the way how you want it. But when it goes to this all your N.V.Q levels, the instructions are given by the national authority. So the instructor is coming to you and explain to you the way how he or she wants it. So they're looking at you the way how you make it. And the preparation time is 3 hours. So they are looking your cleanliness and the preparation time plus the cooking time, and your area how you organize your part to do your cooking stuff. So when it goes to level 4, those are the unit ones. You all can see here: prepare hot range food, prepare fish meat for cooking, and unit 8 is prepare dessert and sweet. So very easy, but you need to think about it, and you can see how the way they want it, and you can make it something unique the way you want it, and the style and the presentation and the taste also. You can make it a different way, like maybe you can do a Asian way, maybe you can do a something European way. It's up to you, but need to make it unique and tidy, and the cleanliness and the food handling method and all. They will looking at to HACCP level, hazard analyze critical control points units. So they are looking at it that. So again, when it goes to level 4, you can see the uh, instructions again given to you. Unit 2 is prepare salad, appetizers and snack, the way how I explained to you previously. And unit 4 is prepare hot cold beverages. And unit 6 is prepare ethnic food. And unit 7 is prepare soup. So here you can see that there are different words you can you cannot sometimes understand. Prepare salad is understand, you can understand now. Appetizers I explained to you, snacks also I explained to you. Prepare hot and cold beverage, that is you can make it a small something nice unique coffee with something. And cold beverages I explained to you, maybe let's use something. Prepare ethnic food means like maybe Sri Lankan style food, maybe Chinese style food, the country ethics ones. Okay, maybe in the area, the ethics areas, like you can see that you can explain to the instructor. Maybe you can do something unique Sri Lankan with Sri Lankan spices, and even the Chinese method you can do that, even though European or Arabic. Okay, it's up to you, although Indian. So unit 7 is prepare soup. You can do a nice soup, maybe something pumpkin soup, maybe potato soup, something unique and nice. And here all the instructions are given again, like I explained to you all, with the national authority levels. But the examiner or the instructor, you come into your place, so he or she is looking at you, all the areas where you work, and your portion size, because you can see that if the recipe says one portion, you can't put it lot, and it should be nice, presentable, and no. So you all understand what I explained to you here in the level 4 certification level of N.V.Q. N.V.Q is National Vocational Qualifications. So that's what all it is. So you all show your you have to show your colors, and you have to show the qualifications to your instructors to get your national certification of N.V.Q. So that's the level 4 method is. uh, Even though salads and appetizers you can make it different way, but appetizers you can make it a small salad plus maybe something like a hot one. You can do a small combination with the appetizers when it goes to appetizer. So make it small portion, but for one person, and make it presentable, and do your the work according to the instructions are given to you. And the snack wise also you can do something like a small, maybe a samosa, maybe a spring roll, but make it unique and do it tidy. Okay, so you can see the course 4. When it goes to course 4, you can see that the appetizers, main course and dessert I will explain to you. You can see that smoked seer, maybe you can see you can get seer in Sri Lanka easily, and chicken Hawaiian salad, that's the salad I explained to you all. And the soup, maybe a French onion soup. This is only the instructions are given. And main course you can see that shorty pork, and French fries, potatoes, and giardiniera of carrots. So you can, I mean, this is only an example the way how it was mentioned. And dessert you can see that mango malba and tea or coffee. This all the courses you need to do it yourself to get this course 4 level certification according to the authority says. So you can do smokes here, it's up to you all. And maybe that is the starter you want to do it, and the salad. Starter means the appetizer, and the salad. So you can do it the way how it is explained, and you can match the colors also if you all want to do the color combination also. That also looks nice, and it is also presentable when it goes to course by course to the client or the examiner who's coming to see your qualifications, and you see your work way, how you work. Then when it goes to main course, you can do even the chicken or some anything, maybe up to you, maybe a grill, maybe a saute, maybe a stuffed chicken or something. Even the French fries, that is starch, we call starch in English. And the vegetable we call proteins and all. So you need to be combined all together when it goes to a main course. So that's why I want to explain to you. So you need proteins, you need carbohydrate, and plus the sauces goes to the main dish, which is like, for example, if you're doing a chicken here, you can do a small barbecue sauce or something which is goes with all the spices, even the Sri Lankan spices or Asian spices with barbecue. So it's up to you, but make it nice. French fries, you can do something else, maybe a mashed potatoes, maybe chunky potatoes, maybe Leoness potatoes, up to you. And vegetables, you can do any other kind of vegetables, saute vegetables, maybe a green color, you can do a carrot and maybe another green spinach or something, just to get the color combination. And when it goes to the dessert wise, you can do mango and chocolate. So it's just to the color combination of colors, so it's also looks nice and presentable and tidy. So please do your best to get your combination of this all. Hello, Ivan again, Chef Mark again. We'll discuss about what is N.V.Q levels. N.V.Q level is National Vocational Qualifications. So when it goes to N.V.Q, here in Sri Lanka we have 7 stage: level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, level 7, up to level 7. So level 1 is just a certification model, and they only think about certification, the way how you work, and your experience as well. So when it goes to level 1, they will see your the way how you work, how you do your works according to the company level and the standards. So level 2 is also a certification level, so they will see how you work, your experience, whatever the experience you get it from the company, and the way how you work, your creativity, when it goes to food, the healthiness and the cleanliness, and health and safety procedures as well. Okay, so level 3 is also a certification model, which is a little bit higher than the level 2, and they also see how you work, how you adapt to work with according to the situations, and how you get your task, and how you work, and your creativity again, and your responsibility, how you caring, and all those, also the safety methods as well. So when it goes to level 4, which is a little bit extra thing, it is also a certification thing, but it is little bit higher than the level 3, you can imagine also. And that they also think about, see how you work, you're adapting to work with according to the situation, and the company reliable responsibilities as well, and your creativity as well, and health and safety procedures, your creativity plus the presentations, and your cleanliness also. So when it goes to level 5, which is a little bit higher than the level 4, it's a diploma level, so it is higher level, which is goes to food industry, and they will think about the way how you work, they will compare your previous works, okay, and how you resolving problems, and well, and how you manage your work with other company matters, and how you plan yourself and your workloads, and also punctuality, your work in and out. So that is also think about, they will see, and they will compare with your other previous works. So level C is also a diploma level, you can see, which is a higher than the level 5, so you can go to that level as well. So there is a way how they see your qualifications. So this is actually a 6-month course, so you have to go to a industrial training, same like level 5, level 4, you have to go to your industrial trainings to work somewhere in a company for 6-7 months, and you get your experience as well. So different culture foods, and health and safety procedures, your training and development plans, and the way how you work, and you manage your work, punctuality also. So finally, level 7 is a degree level, also you can go to that level, so which is very nicely, and which is very organizedly as well. So on that level you have to wait for a few years to get these things done, and it is up to you, and the way how you get your knowledge, and the experience as well. So when it goes to that level, it is higher level in